Hello guys, welcome to 5th generation Nabi Shop and welcome to another unboxing and testing po. Shoutout po natin Sir Mark B. Yan, so meron tayo ditong 1911 Type A Classic Airsoft Pistol, comes with 2 magazines and then may kasama na rin siyang 4,000 shots na bala. Ito po yung kanyang projectile. Ito po yung Airsoft BBs. At tapos ito naman po yung kanyang propellant. Ito po yung green gas. Yan. Tapos may silicone oil para dun sa mga o-ring, maintenance, owner's manual. Ayan. So, ulitin ko po, this is the 1911 Type A, comes with 2 magazines ng WE Airsoft Pistol po. Ayan. Full metal siya. Classic. With markings. Ayan. Naka-fixed front and rear sight. Beaver tail safety, manual safety. Ayan, full metal 1911 classic by WE. Okay, so testingin po natin. Ito pala magazine niya is 15 rounder single stock. Metal mag din siya. Ayan. Okay, so ang bala po nito ay plastic PBs dahil ito po ay airsoft. And so hindi ko lang po pinuno. Bali pag maglo-load po tayo ng gas, inverted position po. Nasa ilalim po yung magazine para magkarga. 3 to 5 seconds lang. Ayan, so testingin po natin 1911 Classic ng WE. Comes with 2 magazine. Gas blowback airsoft pistol. Testing po, 1911 Type A Classic Airsoft Pistol and firing. Pag wala na siyang bala, nag-open slide po yan. Release mag. And testing po natin yung isang mag. Okay. Okay, open slide again. Release magazine. Tapos, alalayan nyo lang tong slide stop, slide release niya. Pag ibabalik nyo yung slide para hindi siya mapudpud. No? So, ganito lang siya. Itulak nyo lang siyang bahagya. Then, babaan nyo lang yung slide stop, slide release. Then, bitaw. Ayan. Hammer down. Okay, all goods. 1911 Classic Type A Airsoft Pistol. Comes with 2 magazines.